Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can refund tickets on a Ticketmaster, and it's really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, what you want to do is you want to sign into your Ticketmaster account, okay? Then what you need to do is you want to find your order under the tickets section, alright? Then if the event organizer is actually, you know, offering you refunds, then a request refund button will actually appear. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and submit your refund request, and you should receive a confirmation email. So your refund will be processed to the original method of payment. So if you used a debit card, they will return your money in the same, account you used to pay with, your debit card, basically the original payment method that was used at the time of the purchase, and this should actually appear in your account within 5 to 7 business days. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.